right, Joe, we're rolling. Anything you want to say to the viewers out there? You gotta tilt it back like that. There you go. Whoops. You gotta tilt it back. Pretty soon you're gonna terrorize this table, aren't you? Everything is a duck these days, huh? Duck. You gotta tilt it back. Okay. Okay, that's about it. Say goodbye to everybody out there. Whoops! Joe. Hey. Joe. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.